Okay, so I just received this stuff from my website, my web store, allaboutjtk.com, and I'll show you what is in there. It's like my package, my merch store. Not just merch, it's all about JTK. It is merch, it is music, it is beats, it is licenses, it is everything concerning Josh the Killer. Okay, I think this is my shoe. Oh my god, I am like a little kid right now. Can't wait to open this. I now have something to buy for Christmas presents. I don't have a kid yet. I don't have kids yet. But I have little nephews and nieces and whatnot, you know. And if I want to buy them something, this is something to buy. Now look at that. Buy it from my web store and gift it to you. Ooh. Ooh. God. Okay. Hold on a second. Yes. Look at that. Look at my shoebox. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, I don't like the sign. Nice. Look at that. It says JTK. It's in there. Oh, mad. JTK. I love it. Alright. Open the new stuff. Now what else is in here? So, let me see you smile. And at the back, I have this. Nice. This is lovely. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. Let me see you smile. Peace. Go buy your own stuff, you know.